Welcome, friends. Today we continue our C2 journey. Our lesson is called Mastering Rhetorical Balance, using antithesis and contrast for persuasive effect. At C2 level, we refine our ability to persuade. Antithesis means placing contrasting ideas side by side, creating balance and rhythm. This technique is powerful in speeches, essays, and advanced conversation. Take a deep breath, inhale, exhale, and smile gently. Let's begin. Listen carefully. Repeat after me. Not this, but that. It was the best of times, it was the worst of times. Ask not what your country can do for you. Ask what you can do for your country. Many are called, few are chosen. To err is human, to forgive divine. Better to light a candle than curse the darkness. These are classic antithesis structures. Let's say them together slowly. Now let's make sentences. Not weakness, but strength defines her. He seeks not wealth, but wisdom. It was both joyful and painful. She is young in age, but old in wisdom. Repeat after me slowly. Notice how contrast creates emphasis. At C2 level, antithesis is common in academic and professional contexts. Examples: the policy promotes equality but limits efficiency. The evidence is strong, yet the conclusion is uncertain. The reforms were ambitious, but the results were modest. The theory is elegant, though its application is complex. Repeat after me. The policy promotes equality but limits efficiency. The evidence is strong, yet the conclusion is uncertain. The reforms were ambitious, but the results were modest. The theory is elegant, though its application is complex. At C2 level, we combine antithesis with reasoning. Examples: not fear, but courage leads to growth, even when challenges arise. It was the best of times, yet also the most uncertain, inspiring resilience. To err is human, but to learn from error is wisdom. Repeat after me. Not fear, but courage leads to growth, even when challenges arise. It was the best of times, yet also the most uncertain, inspiring resilience. To err is human, but to learn from error is wisdom. Let's imagine daily life. Morning. Not laziness, but energy begins my day. Afternoon. Work is tiring, but rewarding. Evening. The day was long, but fulfilling. Repeat with me. Not laziness, but energy begins my day. Work is tiring, but rewarding. The day was long, but fulfilling. Close your eyes for 1 minute. Think of two contrasting forces in your life today. Say softly in your mind, not despair, but hope guides me. Not confusion, but clarity strengthens me. Not darkness, but light inspires me. This is both English practice and mindfulness practice, our noticing balance with awareness. Today we learned our ninth C2 lesson, Mastering Rhetorical Balance, using antithesis and contrast for persuasive effect. We practiced vocabulary, not this, but that, to err is human, ask not. Everyday and formal antithesis sentences, complex antithesis structures, reflection, mindfulness in balancing opposites. These sentences help us speak more clearly with rhetorical balance, and they remind us to live mindfully by embracing contrast with awareness. Thank you for joining me. May your practice bring peace, clarity, and joy.